How's it going, everybody? Today I'm working on my 2010 Mercury Milan, or as everybody called it, Ford Fusion. But today I'm replacing throttle body on it due to the fact of it has been running real rough idle, low performance, sporadic shifting of the transmission. If you're watching this and you're trying to figure out why your car's doing this, you've reached the right video, because I'm going to show you. It's a real quick one. Real simple job to replace the throttle body. Right here, I'm unplugging the mass airflow sensor and unscrewing the clamps. Putting the hose to the side is honestly the best way to do it. There's only two hoses attached to it. One you can just unplug and set it to the side. Here, my airbox actually is broke on the bottom, so it actually just pulls out. You'll see here in a minute that I pull it out because I get frustrated because I'm using the extension there. But I also do recommend, when you're doing this, to go ahead and clean your mass airflow sensor. It'll actually help with increased fuel economy as well. On the other hand, it's just 4 bolts and the connector that connects to it. Real simple. You also have your gasket behind it. It's just one big O-ring with a little tab on the top. It's a real simple job. Requires an 8mm. Takes it right off. You can see here in a minute, I will show you guys the comparison of both throttle bodies as well. Just go ahead and pull off that gasket so you guys don't forget. There goes on the new one. Now here is the old one, there is the new one. Just make sure they look the same. Make sure the connectors are right, that they're the same. Just go ahead and put your 4 bolts back in. Right here, just snug them down. You don't have to get real tight with them at all. I would do it in a crisscross pattern just so it gets an even crush with the gasket. Once my tool bottoms out with the bolt, I just give it a slight turn after that, so it's just pretty snug. Doesn't have to be real tight at all. Now we're just going to start putting everything back together. Just don't forget to plug your connections in, because it won't start. Right here I plug in the mass airflow sensor. To take that out, it's just 2 Phillips head screws, or depending on your vehicle, it may be different. It could be a hex bolt. I don't know. but mine has 2 Phillips head screws. Just go ahead and put the tube back on. It's either a flathead screwdriver or an 8mm. Once you got the pipe back on, go ahead and start the vehicle up. It may die on you, but let it run for 10 minutes on idle, then put some load on it. After that, then you're pretty much good. After that, let it run, take it for a quick drive, let it idle after your drive, and just see how it does. If it's running perfect, you've gone ahead and fixed the issue. I do hope this video was very helpful to you guys. Go ahead and like, subscribe, leave a comment below and what you want to see next.